How to log into your QuickBooks account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your QuickBooks account. It is an accounting software package developed by marketed by Intuit, first introduced in 1992. So if you want to log into your account, here is how you do it. First thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for QuickBooks Login, and you will see the first link right here, quickbooks.intuit.com. You just have to tap on it, and from here you can just choose your QuickBooks Online to continue to sign in. Here you'll first have to go ahead and enter the email or the user ID that you have. Once you have done that, you can just simply tap on sign in. Or if you had used your phone number while signing in, you can just enter your phone number to sign in as well. I'm just going to continue with my email. And if you want the browser to remember you, you can just make sure to check this box and then simply tap on sign in. Or if you're new to QuickBooks, you can just go ahead and tap on create an account. Now after this, you will just be asked to enter your password, so just simply enter the password and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.